After you have downloaded the map update or bought the USB drive with the update from the retailer, you are ready to start the update in your vehicle. Insert the USB drive with the latest map data in the USB interface port of your vehicle. The control display automatically changes to the navigation update mode. Select Update Now to start the update. The update may take between 30 and 90 minutes to complete. You can still use your vehicle and navigation system during the update process. If you would like to return to the update screen, go to your map and press Settings and Update. Please leave the USB drive inserted until the update is complete. After the successful installation of the update, the navigation system will automatically reboot. This completes the update. To check the currently installed map version, please go to Navigation, select Settings and Update. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.